You may have noticed something big going at the Budweiser Event Center. And no, it's not these Eagles. It's the other Eagles, the Junior Eagles.
Youth hockey helps the little ones learn how to skate, and then as they grow in the sport, they go out and play in tournaments across the state, maybe sometimes traveling out of state.
At every Eagles home game through March 23rd, the Junior Eagles will be hosting a 50-50 drawing where everybody wins.
There's this thing called 50-50 raffle tickets, and if you buy them, you get a chance to win half the jackpot, and it goes on through the night. And the other half goes to Noco Ice Center. But there's also a drawing after this one that if you win it, you get $5,000.
Though each Junior Eagle are playing for different reasons.
I think it's really fun because they're really teaching me. I've learned a lot, how to play defense, how to be aggressive. Well, my dad, he's been playing hockey for a long time too. And he's just been telling us how fun it was. So finally, I just started to play.
They all have the same message for everyone who has helped them continue playing the game they've learned to love.
Thank you for your support. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for helping support the Junior Eagles Squirt 3 team.
Reporting from the Budweiser Event Center, I'm Spencer Tillis, Northern Colorado 5.